Hi everyone, and welcome to a new 5-clue challenge. This is going to be a U.S. National Park challenge. You've got to guess the national park. I'm going to give you 5 clues. Pause the video when you need to. Do some research after each clue, and we'll see how quickly you can get it. I'm a little out of breath because we just hiked up. We're up over 10,000 feet right here. That's not your first clue, but it's a bonus clue. Not a whole lot of national parks that go up that high. But your first clue is that I am west of the Mississippi River. Your second clue is that if you look at a map of watershed divides in the United States, I am not in the Pacific Basin. So I am not in an area that drains to the Pacific Ocean. The water that falls here drains somewhere else. Clue number 3 is that right now, all around us, not exactly where I am, because I'm up in the mountains, like I said before, but all around us is desert. I am in a desert area. Clue number 4 is that this national park is home to one of the oldest living organisms on the planet. As a matter of fact, it probably is the oldest living organism on the planet. And your 5th and final clue is that I'm in Nevada. There's only one national park in Nevada. So by now you should have guessed I'm in Great Basin National Park. It's called Great Basin because the water that flows here does not flow to either the Atlantic or the Pacific Ocean or the Gulf of Mexico. It actually flows into the Great Salt Lake and other salty lakes in the Great Basin area here. The reason why those lakes are so salty is because all of the rivers that flow pick up minerals and salt from the ground. They deposit them in the lakes, and then there's nowhere, when the water evaporates, there's nowhere for the salt to go. So those lakes continue to keep getting saltier, by the year. But I mentioned the oldest living organism, and I want you to check this out. So look behind me. Right now we're in the bristlecone pine grove. These trees behind me are 5,000 years old. Just to put that into perspective, that's like 3,000 years before the Bible was written. We're talking like really, really old. And they are the oldest single living organisms on Earth. There's a grove of aspen trees in Colorado, that have similar DNA, and they have a root system that's the same, that are possibly older. But these are the oldest living single organisms on the planet. There's nothing older than that. Pretty incredible. They don't grow that tall because of the height we're at right now, the elevation. They kind of have stunted growth like that, but pretty incredible. 5,000 years, that's almost. But I hope you enjoyed this 5-clue challenge, and we'll see you again soon.